is our boat ride with Nubs and Tails. Here's Scooter. And here's Grease. Say hello, Grease. Hey, Grease. Hey, Grease is on camera. And here's our powerful 35 horse motor. And here's our depth finder. The boat's kind of, well, actually it looks like Scooter's driving the boat. Hey Scoot, are you driving the boat? He's the captain. He knows what he's doing here. This is, I guess, the city of what they call Arvindale. And I'm gonna set Scoot up here for a minute. Hey Scooter. We're giving a little bit more gas here. Grease is trying to drive too here. Hey Grease. Hey Grease. How are you?